Well, here's the punishment charges.
Thank you. Yeah, just leave one at there. So, yes, ma'am.
Lose it.
All right.
Sim doesn't, he's not here on Thursdays, and you had this guy who was supposed to have hired something by today.
Patrick Pleasant.
You don't have to wait.
Where's he? Pleasant? Patrick Pleasant? No answer. I asked the bailiff to call into the hall for Patrick George Pleasant. James Baker while we are waiting.
Yeah. Shouldn't be anything but information on there. Yeah. She's in the restaurant. Whatever.
Okay. One of the prosecutors, can you go get him, please?
Oh, that's.
No? Okay.
Sure, but you want me here?
All right. Thanks for your help.
I'm just checking.
James Baker, that's Mr. Crenshaw. Y'all working on something?
We are, Judge.
Okay. What about Dylan Johnson?
If you could just call me next, Judge.
Next.
I'm trying to resolve these for you.
Okay. And then you got Seizure Leja and Troy Stein.
That process.
And
So I would report this to the guy.
who you? Okay, Langston Adams was your attorney, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you hire somebody?
The last time I talked to you, I had got laid off.
Where are you working?
And they just
That's a great job over there. What happened? They, hey, everybody, settle down in the fraternity house. Thank you.
they laid off by like 1,000 people, but they just called me back like 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And
Is it going to be long term?
sort of, yes, sir.
How much you making an hour?
Right now I'm at 30. I'll be getting bumped up to foreman pretty soon. I'll be making 40.
What in the world is? What are you here? Yeah. Why are you here in the first place on this? You got something.
Yes,
You got great opportunities. You got a great job.
yes, sir.
You don't need to be
Yeah.
getting in trouble.
I made I'll be 41 this year. I made the whole time without catching felony or nothing like that.
Yeah.
I just made a mistake.
All right.
Yeah.
Everybody does. Fix it.
Yes, sir.
Fix it. But this is, and there's a child involved
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
in the car,
Yeah.
and it's a, it's a 4,000-pound missile. That's all a vehicle is, which can do a lot of damage to body tissue when it runs into things. That's why you've got to be careful, not only for yourself, but everybody else who's trusting each other on the road.
Yeah.
Anyway.
They was my kids. The type of work I do, sometimes I travel. Sometimes
Did you end up hiring Rife Kimler?
No, I can't never get a hold of him. But I talked.
Welcome to the world. Yeah, when you can get in touch with him, let me know because we're having all
trying to
time.
get in touch with Thomas.
But right now, today,
Yes, sir.
are you working somewhere, or is that going to begin?
Yeah. I just started 2 weeks ago. They called me back.
But you have been off for 2 weeks.
No, I've been off for a month,
Amar.
and I'm in the process of moving. I was at a hotel, so that hotel like kind of ate all my money. So now I'm at my.
So you're looking for a lawyer or something?
Yes, sir. I talked to Thomas Burbank.
Right here.
There's a missed one open.
That's it?
Oh yeah, I called the office.
Are you do engine work too? No, I'm serious. He's kind of between jobs.
Yeah.
And I think this is one of those things where this is fixable. if you know what I mean. Why don't you talk to
Okay.
him? There he is, and it's a DWI. Doesn't have criminal history. Got a great job. It's with a child passenger, you know. But this is something that
And then your guy.
seems fixable, as painless as it can be, if you know what I mean.
Who's the prosecutor?
Sarah.
Sarah,
Okay.
who's not here, but she should.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's Mr. Burbank. He,
There were two people shot. When is he receptive?
I don't know if
we hadn't.
Well, it's gonna stay.
We hadn't. We were just talking about this situation. I know you're kind of busy here, but
Speed over there.
he's in the middle of this trial, but it's nearing the end. So here,
She tells Josh.
you have to go to work at back. Yeah.
I don't want to get.
Um. Okay. Martin. Sevilla Ordwine.
Yes, the judge.
We're gonna ever dispose of any things or just reset? Come on, let's go. I know how you are. You can do it. It's an announcement. 2 cases. What are we going to do today?
They will be asking for them to be moved to the trial document.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's not what-
That's in July. You're flying, man. That one was, let's step up here.
Okay. I read enough. I see where this one's headed.
All right, so
Everybody's
Judge,
getting together and deciding.
that's not what's happening on this one.
Oh, okay. Because that's
I gave the
what
defense,
sent, but
I gave the defense an opportunity to resolve both these cases as misdemeanors.
Okay.
They're making their option. I will inform the court that as to one of those, I'm going to dismiss it in your court today and refile it as the misdemeanor that I feel is warranted. The other, I'm going to proceed to trial on.
what's the misdemeanor?
On 25 DCCR 0001, I'm going to file that as a criminal mischief, Judge.
Okay. That's not a lesser included on that.
No, sir, it's not. When she shot at the victim, Mr. Bowman, in the other calls, she damaged the car that was owned by this victim in 25 DCCR. So I'm going to file that as a criminal mischief. It turns out to be a misdemeanor because of the amount of damages, and I'm going to proceed on the indictment for the deadly conduct charge.
Okay. And you know, you can't have any contact with this person. Maybe you don't. But that would be catastrophic. Your bond would be revoked if you tried to contact the victim here. So, okay, then that's what it's all about. Then we'll try to just put it on the trial.
I will send the dismissal on.
Thanks.
So just 24, 237.
Yeah.
Is going on now.
Right.
Okay, Mr. Crenshaw, what are we doing?
Yes, sir. I think I have a plea on 2 of them, and then the other
Great.
2 I'm gonna probably ask to.
Which one? Which 2 to move?
I think
Two.
Baker and Leha.
Okay, and then Dylan Johnson.
I think that'll be a reset, Judge.
To what?
If we can just come back in 6 weeks.
Okay.
Cool.
Dylan Johnson.
I think he's out. the hall.
Dylan Johnson, please come forward. I'll ask the bailiff.
Yeah, we're trying.
Yeah. Four murders and then now.
But I was like, yo, this strong, like, so if you're about it.
No.